I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong, please try again on Instagram. So today I noticed that on my Instagram profile, the YouTube link that I had added before wasn't appearing. So I tried adding it again. I went to edit profile, then to the section of add link, then add external link. But I noticed that when I tried adding, I would get this error that something went wrong, please try again. So however much I tried, it wasn't going through. So what you do if you're experiencing this, first of all, you have to make sure that your Instagram app is updated. So you open Play Store, search for Instagram, and then if it requires an update, you first have to update it. So since mine is updated, I'll take you to the next option. So you open your phone settings, then you select apps and notifications, then you select Instagram, then under storage you clear cache, and then you also clear storage. So you first have to clear cache and then also clear storage. So having done that, you restart your device. In case those two options don't work for you, the third option is for you to click edit profile, and then you go to add link, then add external link, then you paste the URL of your link, then you add the title, and then you take. So when you're taking, you will take a screenshot of the error that will show. So you take a screenshot of this, something went wrong, please try again. So after taking that screenshot, you go back to your profile, and then you click on the three-dash menu, then you select settings. So from settings you select help, and then report a problem. Then you disable shake phone to report a problem. So then you remove the screenshot that is there by default, and then you add the screenshot that you just took, so that you're able to send it to Instagram. So you remove that screenshot, and then you tap on gallery to load the one that you just took. Then after that, you write a brief description of this. You can put in these words of mine, or you can put in your own words. So after typing that, you click next, and then Instagram will receive and they will get back to you in 24 hours. Thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed, you can click on this circle and check these other videos, and see you in the next video.